Welcome back to our channel Tech World everybody. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can edit our caption on TikTok after posting your video. Now let's get straight into the point. Caption is basically like subtitle. If you have used or watched YouTube videos, you can see that CC button at your bottom of your screen. Once you click on it, subtitles are going to be shown. That's basically what TikTok is. So let's say you added caption on your video and you want to change it. There is no edit button for that because this is the rule of TikTok. Once you post a video, it's posted, you cannot do anything, you can't remove its tag, you can't remove anything. Once it's posted as to find a product, the only thing you can do is edit it before posting it. So once you post a video, you cannot edit it, because that's the policy of TikTok. I don't know why they did this, but it is what it is. Now let's say you want to change the caption of the video. Now I'm not going to give you a solution through which you can edit it unlike your video. You need to take down that video and re-upload it again in the process. So I'm going to be showing you, but before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Now if I want to change that on my caption, I can click on the SD dot, scroll to the side. And as you guys can see, there is no edit button over here. So I can click on save video. Once this video is downloaded, I can click once that video is deleted. Click on post, click on upload. Choose the video you just downloaded over here next. And over here I can write whichever caption I want. And I can even edit this video. So this is the only way how this thing works. So this is how it is, alright. So that's how we guys can edit their caption on TikTok video after posting it. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody. Sorry, there's no other solution. If some people say you can go to my website and do this and do that, just don't. It's basically just trying to steal your account's information. A lot of people's account has been hacked. Doing that, TikTok itself doesn't allow that. Even if you do that, there's a chance your account is going to get banned. So be safe everybody.